Now, one smart thing you can do whenever you check your oil or check your battery is take a good look at the hoses and belts. These are the things that will fail you if you don't keep an eye on them. They don't cost much to replace, but if they break, you'll really regret not looking them over once in a while. Take a visual inspection of them and take a good hard look at both sides of them. These are some examples of the different belts. Now we have an example here of why you should inspect the belt both on the outside and the underside. This belt is cracked, and if we hadn't replaced it, it probably would have broken at an inopportune time. So when you're looking at your belts, look at them underneath and on top. This radiator hose is not on a Sentra, but it's a good example of how to check your hoses. If in doubt, replace the hoses. They're cheap. Especially replace a hose that feels soft or crunchy, because that's a warning that the hose is ready to break. This is the power steering fluid reservoir. You twist the cap off and there's a small dipstick that measures your fluid level. If you need to add power steering fluid, just add it here and twist the cap back on tightly. This is the windshield washer fluid reservoir. Just pop the top off, pour your washer fluid in, and pop the cap back on. This is the coolant reservoir. You want to stay away from the radiator cap since it gets hot quickly. So if you need to add coolant, do it here to avoid getting burned.